that's ISO.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lanes was talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy. Smoking that dope from every man. We the new meth and red man. We a rubber, but we bread drinks. Run up a check in this pen.
Hello everybody. Wow, what a beautiful day it is today. We're going to be reviewing the 335 diesel Xdrive 2017 model. It is the LCI version, which gives modest little upgrades which are very much needed. Let's head over to the car. We'll start with the gloss black kidney grills, come standard on the M Sport version. We also get the gloss black front splitter, really makes it look mean. A much needed upgrade of these LED headlights. Pre-LCI were like absolute candles at night, they were terrible. So these are a much needed upgrade. Stopping power has improved also. We now get a 4-pot caliper up front, which is absolutely needed. This car is not no lightweight car. Also, being an Xdrive, a lot of people used to comment on the wheel arch gap from tyre to wheel arch. I can get 3 things in there, so we're talking 2.5 inches. Yeah, the LCI didn't change things. They did upgrade the suspension because there was a lot of comments on the previous car, suspension being very wallowy. I didn't find that, but I'm not a race driver. The M Sport, the suspension, it is somewhat stiffer, but again, it's not noticeable. I've got no issues with it at all. We've also got 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels on this car. Another nice little touch. The satin black seals with the M Performance logo there, with an added little gloss black lip skirt there. Take a walk around to the back of the car. We've got the lovely tinted glass on the M Sport, Performance pack. We've got the tinted glass. Also, we get these nice 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with 275 rear section tyre. And let me tell you, this thing absolutely grips. It doesn't lose traction whatsoever, come rain or shine. Bootlid, we've got this lovely high gloss black Bootlid spoiler, really adds a little sportiness to the back of the car. Again, little extra, we've got this 5-fin, really aggressive rear diffuser there. I think it really finishes this car off. Estrial blue as well, what a spec, perfect. Let's take this car out on the road. Yeah, so we've done a lot of research into the remapping of the car. Obviously, reliability is key. So I was on the BMW forums, come across this chap who'd done the remapping. Come highly recommended on a lot of forum users. So give him a tinkle. He was able to do a custom map to parameters that I wanted to tune the car to, so I believe he could tune the car to 740 newton meters, but doing a lot of research, the manufacturer of the gearbox rates the gearbox to 700 newton meters, so we reined it in a little bit and kept it to 700 newton meters, keep it safe, and touch wood, it's been a reliable car so far. So 10,000 miles later, it doesn't seem to affect the car at all. normally on a run we're averaging 40 miles to the gallon. That's round town, day to day, you know. But out on a run, we've had it up to probably 45s, that sort of area there. We previously had the 330 diesel, F30, exactly the same as its Xdrive again, and that was achieving something like 43 day to day, and would see that up to 47, 48 on a run. So if economy is what you're after, the 330 is the car for you. And to be honest with you, if I had to buy a 330 over the 335. The 330 had so much more ferocity in its power delivery. I'm not sure whether that's down to the 335 being a twin turbo, or the fact the 330 is actually a single turbo and the delivery is that little bit more harsh. That's the only reason I can think of why it feels a little bit more aggressive on the road. So I mentioned earlier, this is the LCI model, and the suspension's so soft in it. It's not hard, it's not crashy. Being an M performance car, you'd think it'd be throwing you all over the place. It's really not like that. Do away with the run flat tyres like this car has, and it's silky smooth on the road. Those run flat tyres are very harsh. Do away with them if you can. You can't go wrong with BMW. They're really well screwed together, nice and solid, no rattles, and I would strongly suggest you go for a 3 litre diesel. It's a peach of an engine, it's silky smooth, it does exactly what you want it to do. So if you want performance and economy, what better car to pick? The 335 or the 330 diesel, or any one of these cars with this engine. I think it comes in the 4 series, it's in the 6 series, it's in the 5 series, it's in the X5, it's in most of BMW's range. It's easy to see why. The performance figures speak for themselves, and the economy to boot. What's not to like? In a little while we're going to do a Dragy 0-60 test. This is the Dragy, if none of you have ever seen one. There we go, there's the Dragy. It's basically a Bluetooth dongle. It comes with an app for your phone, and yeah, it's really good. I've used it once yesterday. I'll upload the footage of that, but that was hampered by a passenger I had, so two men in the car. Launch control shit. That was much better.
Did you got all these recorded?
Yeah.
Good.
That's fucking ridiculous, isn't it? The Lambo's never going to beat that. Have you ever believed that this does that? Fucking 0-60 in 4 seconds.
4.17. No, you could get that down into the freeze, you know, I reckon. With a really aggressive launch.
That was fucking pulling.
That was, man.
I've never had launch control work in this until today. Never tried it. We'll try again today, just myself. See if we can better that time. Fingers crossed we can get into the freeze. That'll be something else. Comfort mode now, back to civilization. That's ridiculous. Until you've felt 700 Nm torque, don't question me, that's real. I'm sorry about the Dragy footage. I'm down my assistant today due to this corona, so I couldn't film it. I'm going to try and get a windscreen mount for our next test, which is Lamborghini LP 550-2, and I seriously think we're going to
That's ISO.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same now, I've been humble too long.